You may not know this, but the popular site actually reduces image quality average use. So I'm going to show you how I retain, and even enhance my image quality absolutely for free on my smartphone. So stay with me to the end of this video as I show you how to achieve this. I am Dennis Leonardo Ajibekwe, and welcome Denleon Innovation. Alright guys, by default we'll be needing the app called a PSCC Touch, of which you readily do not find on Play Store, but in the video description you'll find a link there of which you can download the app. So I would be opening the app right now, and by default this is the GUI we will find for the app. So to proceed, we'll be clicking on the add icon on the bottom part of the page. So we go to photo library, and by default my own photos of interest are on download. Then I go and select the original image which is just there with me. Then I click on add, and afterwards I try to assess the image size by the width, especially which I click on the after side icon. Size by width is 2880. Then I wait for that to load up. So I click on the bottom right part of the page, the add layer icon, then click on add, go to photo layer, photo library, and this time around I select the cutout image I got from remove.bg, which is right here. That's the image of the low quality. Then I wait for it to open up. So this time around I click on the bottom left part of the page to pop up a menu of which I get to adjust my width size. Remember the width size was 2880, and I click OK, so which it fills to screen, and I click the OK icon. Then afterward all I need to do is to select pixel of the very image I just brought in. So I select pixel. Then after doing that, I select on the original image. Then afterward, I try to add another layer, the layer icon. This time around, the add layer that I'll be adding is layer from selection. And I click on done, and then we're almost done. So to know our results, all I need to do is to hide the other two images and then leave the middle part image. That's the one we just added with the add layer. And then voila, we have our result waiting for us. If you're to check the upper side icon to be of exact size, but for time's sake we'll be clicking on the done now to save our image, and we'll save the image and wait for it to load up. So in a few minutes time our image loads up, and then we have our results. Voila, now that we have this, all we need to do now is just to save. And to do this, at the same bottom right part of the page, you can click on the arrow button, and then we click on save to gallery. Then we also click on the select the image that we want to save, which is that. Then we select PNG from the project to be saved, and we click OK. So it's publishing right now, and after the publishing we'll go find out if this was true or not. And then we're done. So all we need to snap is a very image of PSCC 2019. This is it now. And we find out that it is of size 6.8 MB, even way higher than our download size, right? But we're not going to see right now. But it's actually true. Just got our quality image restored. So you can see right now I smile a little bit just it's all happy and glamorous with all the qualities and details maintained. It's extremely so thank you for watching this section of the video. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment on possible videos you'd like to see more from Denleon Innovation. Have a nice day.